I think the best example, and one, and again, this is overused, but the example I'd follow is Apple. Apple, my perception is that Apple doesn't care if you buy their products in the Apple Store or you buy it online. And somehow, what they've pulled off, I think, is spectacular. It seems the same whether you're buying it in the Apple Store or you're buying it online. The feel of the transaction is the same. The great service is the same, although the transactions are wildly different, right? One I'm conducting from my phone or from my home, and the other I'm conducting while in the store. But both are really easy to complete. And I think if we're going to model something, I think the industry would be best to take a look at that. Instead of trying to force a customer down one direction or another direction, we call them funnels, right? Because a funnel, you start here and you end up there. Hey, and that's being driven by the marketer or the retailer. How about if we do it backwards and we build this based on what the consumer wants, where we truly don't care if they come to the store or they go online. And I think a lot of the difficulties that the industry suffered from is transparency. Somehow we felt that we could make more money if the customers were sitting here in front of us. Well, maybe we can, maybe not. But you look at some of these people that are doing business online, like Amazon. They seem to make a lot of money without having anyone going to a store. And perhaps we could do the same thing. Perhaps customers will pay for convenience, and maybe they won't pay a lot, but they'll pay the same price for sure, and maybe even a little bit more if we make it easy for people to do business. And I think that trumps everything that people are looking to do, is make it easy for me to do business with you.